name is Jack McCunda and I'm the Chief Operating Officer with Park City Credit Union. Today we're going to talk a little bit about credit scores. Everybody has one or should have one, but we understand very little about them. One thing to know about credit scores is it's also referred to as FICO. So when somebody refers to FICO, just assume that they're talking about your credit score as well. A credit score is established when you start to obtain credit. It's a reporting service where financial institutions and other institutions such as phone companies, medical offices, collection agencies, all can report performance on how you handle payments or obligations that you have with them. There's a number of things that go into a credit score. There's a ton of factors that only a handful of people know about. It's proprietary information and they don't share that, but we do know enough to be able to help you with your credit score and obviously establishing the best credit score that you can is very beneficial for you now and especially down the road. For a financial institution, we use a credit score just as a tool to see whether or not we're going to grant credit, whether your loan is approved or denied. But that's only a portion of things that we look for. A credit score is more so used in determining what kind of interest rate you're going to be charged on that particular credit that you've applied for. The better the credit score, the lower the interest rate that you're going to pay on the loan, and obviously the more money that you're going to save down the road. So it's very important to establish a good credit score and to maintain that credit score. People are able to monitor their credit scores more so now than they ever have been able to through a number of methods. You can contact the credit agency themselves and ask for a free credit report once a year. There's also services like Credit Karma that are online that help you monitor your credit score and also give you tips on what you can do to improve it. They have models that you can run. Say if you pay off $10,000 worth of credit card debt, what would that do to your score? It's not 100%, but it's close enough to give you an idea of what practices you should and shouldn't be doing in order to maintain a healthy credit score. There's other services that you'll notice if you have credit cards right now. A lot of credit card companies are offering credit monitoring where once a month you can check in and see what's happening with your credit and your credit score. Again, it's very important to do that because if you see deficiencies, it gives you the opportunity to correct them. If you see that things are going well, congratulate yourself and know that you're probably doing the best that you can to save yourself money as you go. Credit scores are not only used for lending nowadays, they're used for many things that people aren't aware of, whether or not you get a cell phone, your car insurance and car insurance rates, many things where companies rely on that credit score to get a feel for you, somebody that they're not familiar with at the get-go, and they want to learn a little bit about you and how you're going to handle your finances. So since there are so many resources out there that will help monitor your credit score and tell you what that score is, there's times where you still may want to discuss that with a professional. You're always welcome to come in and talk to any of our lending specialists at Park City Credit Union, and we can help go through your credit score. We can give you some tips and tricks on how to improve that score. In the future, we're going to be talking more about the factors that go into credit scoring and various things that you can look at to help improve your score or to maintain that score. So watch for future videos, and we'll be happy to share that information with you as we go. If you like this video or found it helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Financial Friday videos.